See, yesterday here just we have tested okay on model auxiliaries, right? So today I want to give you some clarity. So if you get the clarity, okay, so you can avoid confusion. Still joining? See guys, here model auxiliaries. Okay, these are nothing but helping verbs only, but they take only V1 form, verb base form only. Can plus V1, could plus V1, shall plus V1, should plus V1, will plus V1, would plus V1, may plus V1, might plus V1, must plus V1, ought to plus V1, used to plus V1, need to plus V1, okay, dare plus V1, okay, need to plus V1, okay, is it clear? Need to, right? So let us see here how these can be used here. Okay, first I will give you here in comparison, then we can go here, okay, separately. See here, subject plus can plus V1. Here subject plus could plus V1. Is it clear? Right. So when to use here can plus V1 or could plus V1? We can use can plus V1 to express present or future ability. Ability. I can lift 50 kg now, 50 kg bag now. This is present ability or future ability. Okay, I can solve it. I can do it. Okay, means I am able to do it. Can is nothing but able to. Okay, right. So here could plus V1 is used to express past ability. Okay, in the past, okay, when I was in intermediate, I could lift 50 kg bag in the past. Okay, right? This is past ability. Next, to express the present or future possibility. So we can reach God in many ways.
Progress.
We can reach God in many ways. Possibility is there. To reach God in many ways, there is a possibility. Hello, guys. To express present or future possibility. Okay. We can reach God in many ways.
Sir, the first point is also same, right, sir?
First one is here, I can lift 50 kg means it is ability. I am able to lift 50 kg, first one.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Hello guys here. Sorry for the disturbance. There is some sudden disturbance. Hello. Hello, Ram Subhash here. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Sure. Let us see guys here. Okay. I can lift 50 kg bag. Okay. I could lift 50 kg bag. Presentability, past ability. Okay. Possibility, present possibility. We can reach God in many ways. Past possibility, you see, could. I tried to solve the problem, but I couldn't solve it. I couldn't solve it. Okay. This is past possibility, means it was not possible to me. I couldn't solve it. Okay. Next, to make a request. Okay. Just you can see this one. To make a request. This is a general request here. Can you show me the way to railway station? Could you show me the way to railway station? Okay, like this. To take permission and to give permission. Can I have your pen? You can go now. To give suggestion, you can take this medicine twice a day regularly. So you note down these points, guys. Here, you note down first. However, have you taken? Hello, have you taken that one?
Sir,
Bhavishya,
why in could there are no 4 and 5 points, sir, for permission?
fourth one. So, yeah. Can I have your pen? Could I have your pen? That comes under request only. Okay. You can say, could I have your pen also? But it comes under request here, not permission. Okay. Can I is most commonly used. Could I is not here. It sounds like a request. Okay. Even can I also request also. Yeah. Can you show me the way to? Can you show is a request. Can I have is permission. Taking permission. You can go now. This is also to give permission. To give suggestion. You can take this medicine twice a day regularly. Okay. Next one. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can we move forward? Bhavishya, can we move forward? Bhavishya, can we move forward? Okay, right. Next one. You see may plus V1 or might plus V1. May plus V1 is to express present or future probability. This is to express past probability. Okay. Probability means 50-50% chances on. The sky is cloudy. It may rain now. Means it may not rain now also. 50-50 chances. Sindhu was playing well. She might win. Sindhu was playing well. She might win. Okay. Right. So this one is the past probability. So when I saw, okay, that Sindhu was playing well. She might win. Yes, she might not win also. 50-50 chances in the past. Okay. Next, to take or give a formal permission. May I come in, sir? May I go out, sir? Like that. Okay. You may go now. Here, to take an unusual permission. Okay, which is generally should not be asked here. Might I smoke in the class, sir? it should not be done. Might I go home little early, sir? Like that. Okay. Next, to make a formal request. To make a formal request. May I use your mobile, please? It is also request. Right? May I use? Can I use your mobile, please? May I use your mobile, please? Okay, this is also a formal request. To seek information. May I know the train timings to Chennai, please? May I know the course details, please? Okay, right. Next one is to bless or curse. To bless or curse. May you have a grand success. May you have sound health. May God bless you with children. May the devils suck your blood. May you kick the bucket soon. May God, like this. Note down, guys, here. May plus V1. Just note down. Note down. Please note down. Please note down. Please note down, guys. Over. Right. Now here, to seek information also, may I know? To bless or curse. May you have, may God. These two. Right? May the devil suck your blood. May God bless you with grand success. Next, subject plus will or will plus V1 or would plus V1. Okay.
4 and 5 points I have not noted down.
What is that?
4th and 5th points I have not noted down.
Yeah, to seek information, note down. Please note down. Okay. To seek information. May I know the train timings to Chennai, please? Over. Yes, next one. Will plus V1 or would plus V1. And so many candidates get confused here with would. Okay, you see here. Will plus V1 to express future action. They will go to Chennai tomorrow. And would plus V1 to express future action in reported speech. She said that they would go to Chennai the next day. Okay, will becomes a would. Will go becomes would go in the reported speech, in indirect speech. Okay, next one. To express a desire or willingness, I will become a lawyer. I won't attend. Won't means will not. I will not attend the function. I will not attend the function. To express a strong desire or assumption. Okay, I would become a lawyer. That is strong desire. I would like to attend the function. I would like to have a cup of tea. I would like to have a cup of tea. Right? To express strong desire or assumption. Okay. Next one. So don't think here I would become a lawyer is past. Okay, it is a future only. I would like to attend the function. It is also your present desire or assumption. I would like to have a cup of tea. This is also strong desire. Don't think it is past. Okay. Next, to express future possibility, it will rain now. Okay, it will rain soon. It will rain now or soon. Soon. Okay, it is a future possibility or future expectation. Future possibility, expectation. Expectation. Right? Next, third one, this side, to express past possibility. 50 years ago, there would be no pollution. There would be no fresh air. Okay? Is it clear? There would be fresh air. There would be fresh water. Okay, past possibility. We are not sure, but okay, possibility was there. Is it clear? If we are sure, we can say there was no pollution. If we are sure, 100% guarantee, okay, we can say there was no pollution 50 years ago. There was fresh air. There was fresh water 50 years ago. Is it clear? But we are not 100% sure, but only possibility. We are speaking of the possibility. Is it clear? So possibility was there here. There would be no pollution. Hello? Who is speaking in the middle? Okay, right. Yeah. To express past possibility, 50 years ago, there would be no pollution. There would be fresh air. Okay, fresh water. This possibility was there. Past possibility. Next, to make a request here. To make a request. Yeah. Will you give me your pen? This is also request. Would you give me your pen? This is also request. But see, will you give is here impolite. We should not use with strangers. We should not use with okay, elders. At least we can use here, would you give me? So in request, we can say, will you give me? Can you give me? Would you give me? Could you give me? We can use all. Okay. But will you is impolite. Okay. Can you is just acceptable. Would you is polite. Could you is, okay, most polite one. Okay, all of you guys here, again listen to me. Will you give me your pen? It is impolite. Okay, can you give me your pen? It is acceptable. Would you give me your pen? A polite request. Could you give me your pen? Most polite request. No? Right? Sure. All these are possible to, okay. And would you lend me 100 rupees? Would you mind giving me? When you use would you mind, it should be followed by being form. Would you mind giving me 100 rupees? Would you mind bringing me some water? Right? Next, to seek suggestion or advice. To seek suggestion or advice. What would you do if you were in my position? Okay, to seek advice or suggestion. What would you do if you were in my position? Okay, to give suggestion. I would kill him if I were in your position. I would kill him if you were in my position. If I were you, I would inform the police immediately. Okay, this is to give suggestion. Next, to make an offer. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Would you like to drink something hot? What would you like to have? What would you like to drink? Is it clear? So guys, here you can note down this one. Okay, just note down in comparison. You won't get here these.
Sir, how can we remember all these, sir?
Yeah, that's why we have to practice. In the comparison, you see.
But there, in case of request, we can use may, would, will, would, could, side, sir. How can
Yeah.
we decide which one is the perfect one, sir?
Could you is the most polite, as I'm saying. Would you, could you, okay, are the polite ones, and could you is the most polite one.
Okay. And once, can you explain this point, sir, to express future action in reported speech?
Yeah, just they will go to Chennai tomorrow, she said. Okay, she said that they would go to Chennai the next day. So here, what is that here? She said that this is in reported speech. Okay, she said that, okay, they will go becomes would go to Chennai. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Right? Direct indirect
Okay.
speech.
Yes, sir.
Okay, will go becomes would go. That's it. And here, I will become a lawyer. It is our intention, our willingness, our desire. But I would become a lawyer also. Correct, here it is a strong desire. We can say I will become a lawyer, and we can say I would become a lawyer. I would become a lawyer is a strong desire. Okay. Generally assumptions only. Okay. Right. I would like to attend the function. It is also desire. I would like to have a cup of tea. Desire. Okay. Next, to express future possibility or expectations. It will rain soon. It will rain now. Possibility is there. It may rain now, we can say. It will rain now, we can say. It may rain means 50-50 chances. It will rain means more chances. Okay. It may rain means 50-50 only, may or may not. It will rain now means more chances are there. Okay. This side to express past possibility. 50 years ago, there would be no pollution. There would be no pollution means possibility was there. Okay, there would be fresh air, fresh water, like that. But we are not sure. Okay, if we are sure, we can say there was no pollution, there was no, there was fresh air, there was fresh water, we can say. If we are completely sure of it, sure of the past. But we are not, we don't know here, it is 100% correct. Just we know there was possibility. So, because there was no population much, there were no vehicles. Okay, as of now, is it clear? So that's why the possibility was there. There would be no pollution, there would be fresh air, there would be fresh water, like that. Okay. Next, to make a request, will you give me a pen? So in the request, I said here, may I have your pen? Okay, that is also request. Or it may be seeking permission also. Okay, can you give me a pen? Will you give me a pen? Impolite. Can you give me a pen? Acceptable. Would you give me a pen? Polite one. Could you give me your pen? Most polite one. Could you is the most polite one. See the comparisons. Okay. Next one. Would you mind is followed by we inform. Always we inform. Have you taken this, guys? Here. Have you taken this? Hello. Are you following? Just getting asleep. Only one-way communication, no? These are not exercises. Yeah. Actually, here these modal auxiliaries are very common in our day-to-day conversation. In our day-to-day conversation, we give suggestions, we take suggestions. Is it clear? Okay, we give advice. Is it clear? We make requests. Is it clear? We speak of possibilities. All these are okay, very common in day-to-day conversations. Right? Shall we move forward? Next, you see here, this is also very common. To seek suggestion. What would you do if you were in my position? What would you do if you were in my position? Is it clear? What would you do? To give suggestion, I would kill him if I were in your position. If I were you, I would inform the police immediately. Okay? To make an offer, would you like to have a cup of coffee? Would you like to drink something hot? What would you like to have? What would you like to drink? Like this. Right? Shall we move forward? Okay, shall we move forward? Shall we go forward? Right. Then shall plus V1 or should plus V1? To express future obligation or necessity. Okay. Necessity or obligation. Obligation means to follow. To follow something. That is obligation. Okay. We shall go home soon. We shall go home soon. We should attend the meeting. We should at this side here. To express present or future compulsion. Compulsion. We should attend the meeting is compulsion. Okay. Here just necessity or obligation, something to follow. Okay. Here it is just like an order. We should attend the meeting. It is compulsory. Okay. Next, to give or make suggestions. Here you shall take precautions properly. Shall we go to a movie? This is also suggestion. Shall we go to a movie? Okay. Shall we start the program? Shall we start the class? Right. Okay. Next, to give suggestion, to take suggestion. Shall I apply for the job? Okay. Should I bring an umbrella? Should I bring an umbrella? Is there any necessity? Is there any necessity? Right? Should I bring an umbrella? To seek or give permission. Shall I take leave now? Yeah. To seek suggestion or advice. What shall we do now? Okay, what shall we do now? Right. So like this here, shall, should. Next. These are in comparison. And note down, guys. Note down. Yes. Over? Any doubts? Okay. Now, ought to. Ought to is just here to make polite suggestion or as a moral obligation, something to follow. You ought to attend the yoga classes. This is a like suggestion. Okay. You ought to attend the yoga classes. It is just like polite suggestion only. Okay. For elders, we can't say you should. For elders, if you suggest, you ought to, you better attend the yoga classes. You ought to attend the yoga classes. Like that. Okay. Next. Need to remind the necessity. You need to pass the examination. You need to pass the examination. See guys here. Right? Next, must plus V1. To express the compulsion or certainty, you must take this medicine. Okay? So I will give some more examples also. Just okay, don't worry. To express past habits, use it to plus V1. When I was at school, I used to wear uniform. I used to wear shoes. Past habits. Okay. Now I'll give you here. I'll give you here other examples here. You see here. Some more examples. Guys here. Yeah. Now you see here. We can note down these here. Can, okay, indicates ability, permission, request, possibility, offer, suggestion. I can lift a 50 kg bag now. This is present or future ability. I can solve this problem. Present or future ability. Can I use your mobile? Taking permission. Can I take your notes? Taking permission. You can go now. Giving permission. You see that? You see all these here, right? And next one. Okay, come to the next one. Can you reserve me 2 tickets to Chennai? Can you plus V1? Can you plus V1? Request. Okay. Can you give me 100 rupees? Can you give me your notes? You see this one. Can you? Making request. Can I is taking permission. Can you is here making a request. Okay. One can reach God in many ways. Possibility. You can reach Jubilee bus stand here this way. Possibility. Even offering also. What can I do for you? Offering help. You can consult a doctor if you want. It is also suggestion. So guys, here you can take a snapshot. Okay, yeah, of course I will send this file to you. No problem. But better here take when you take notes here, you can remind it more. Right? You see here. You keep the heading here for this. Can expresses ability, permission, request, possibility, offer, suggestion. Just okay. You note down these only. Just these headings. Can. Okay. Next. Could also express ability, past ability. This is past ability, past possibility, past possibility, past ability, past possibility, request. Right? 2 years ago, I could lift 50 kg bag, past ability. I didn't try this, but I could solve this problem. This is means I was able to solve this problem. Could you give me your notes, making the most polite request? Past possibility. One could get fresh air in Hyderabad 50 years ago, but now we can't. Okay. Next, you could get a chance if you tried sincerely. Past possibility. Next, past tense of Ken plus V1 in reported speech. He said that he could solve the problem. Here said is in past, so here can solve becomes could solve in reported speech. Okay. So these are just you note down these only. Past ability, request, past possibility. Shall you note down these. Futurity means future action, willingness, intention, suggestion, insistence. Okay, even permission also. What is that? Offer, permission. Okay. Right. I shall go to Delhi next Sunday. Generally, with first person, we use the shall only. If with second person, if you use the shall, it is just like a suggestion. You shall take the decision wisely. It sounds like a suggestion. But don't use the, okay, yeah. You see here, you shall take the decision means we are giving a suggestion in a polite way. You should take the decision wisely also suggestion. Okay, but it sounds like a command. You should take the decision wisely. It sounds like a command, order. So don't use the should take here with elders especially. Okay, with youngsters, okay, who are below our age here, where there is no need of any formalities, any respect here, we can use the should. Otherwise, don't use the should. You shall take the decision wisely. Okay. What shall we do now? We shall have a cup of tea. Shall we have a cup of tea? Shall we go to a movie? These are the offers. Shall we start the session? Seeking formal permission. Okay. Should you see obligation? They should pay the fee in time. Is it clear? Advisability. You should write TCS. Okay, national qualifying test, qualifier test. It is just like an advice. You should take the medicines regularly. Means it is something necessity. Even advice also. Should I bring an umbrella? Necessity. You should have got your distinction marks. Expectation. You did not get a distinction marks, but you should have got a distinction marks to get selected. You did not get distinction, but you should have got a distinction marks. That was my expectation. Okay. This is a past only. You should have got a distinction marks. Should have plus V3 is always the past. Should have, would have, could have, might have plus V3 is always the past. Okay. Next, will, okay, will, would here, may, might here. Okay, I will, and the only thing is must is very important here. Okay. Must, everyone must take 2 doses of vaccine to fight against COVID. Necessity. You mustn't smoke cigarette in a train. Prohibition. Okay. You must clear your dues to get your hall ticket. You must clear dues to get your hall ticket. Compulsion. One must respect one's parents. It is obligation. Okay, moral obligation. Okay, he must be the milkman. He usually comes this time. So he must be the milkman means I am sure he is the milkman. I am certain. I am certain he is the milkman. Okay, he must have told lies because he usually told lies. This is past certainty. So I know here he usually tells lies. Definitely he must have told lies in the past. Okay. What you heard is not true. He must have told lies. Okay, this is past certainty. Right? Next, ought to. It is moral obligation, duty, necessity, desirability. One ought to respect one's country. It is moral obligation. Ought to. We can't say must here. It is just moral obligation. One ought to respect one's country. The doctors ought to save their patients from diseases. It is their duty. You ought to do exercises daily. Okay, polite suggestion. Okay, next, use it to past discontinued habits in the past. When I was at school, I used to wear uniform. This is past habit only. When I was in my intermediate, I used to study 8 hours a day. This is a past habit. Need to. Okay, it's not a big problem. There is no need to worry. Not necessary. You need to bring your ID card with your hall ticket to the examination. Okay, it is a necessity. Dare. You are too strong. I dare not fight okay, with you. Okay. So these here, okay. I will send this file to you. All of you, okay, try once again. These here, 2-3 times here. Don't get confused. Now we can go with the common errors. Yeah. Again, once again, you just go through these here. I will send all these files to you. Okay, guys. Yeah. Sorry, here today I want to. Just any doubts here? Any doubts here, Ram Subhash? It is not. I know it is not easy to remember. It is not easy to remember, but in comparison, if you go in comparison here, can could may might shall should will would. In comparison, if you practice here with examples, okay, you have to write few more examples.
Okay, sir.
Besides reading this, you have to write some more examples. Then only you can remember. I thought, okay, these were easy here in the beginning.
Sir, you said from tenses there will be 5 questions in TCS NQT, right, sir?
Yeah, definitely here.
And which are the main topics to score, sir, to cross the cutoff, sir?
If you are
verbal.
If you are good at reading, okay, reading is the best. Okay, and second one, only grammar is the best one. Only grammar is the best one. In vocabulary, I don't think you will do here right, because only option is to guess. Of course, if they give tough questions here,
Sir, grammar means which all, like
which
tenses?
one? Mainly tenses. In the mainly tenses and subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement comes in nouns, pronouns. Subject verb agreement comes in nouns, pronouns. If it is singular noun or singular, okay, plural noun, subject is singular or subject is plural, we have to identify. And verb should agree with that one. Okay, that is at least 1-2 questions will be on subject verb agreement. And the next compulsory questions are tenses only. Tenses are very common.
Okay, sir.
So,
and that one, sir, sentence rearrangement or?
Okay, that is easy. That is very, very easy.
So we'll get that one question right, sir, jumbled one, and ordering the sentence.
Ordering words or phrases. Okay, at least 1 or 2 questions, and jumbled sentences in a paragraph. We get here those also at least 2-3 questions. From those, totally 5 only. Okay, you can divide here. Okay, out of 25 questions, if there are 25 questions, 25 or 24?
Board of Education and
24, I guess. 20.
If there are 24, 12 questions will be from grammar. Yeah, 12 questions will be from grammar, and the remaining 12 questions will be from reading comprehension, vocabulary, jumbled words and jumbled sentences, spelling. Is it clear? Synonyms and antonyms. So 50-50 only. Okay, 50% will be from grammar, 50% from remaining areas. Especially reading skills, vocabulary, jumbled, right? Reading, synonyms, antonyms, one word substitutions, idioms, phrases, right? In the closed test also vocabulary may come, but all they together, okay, consists 50%.
Okay, sir.
50% will be completely grammar. Okay. Right. Okay. So any doubts now? Any doubts? Okay, yeah. Sir, Ramu sir, are you online? So you can ask me doubts, guys. I can share these files, no problem. Okay. I will share these two files and even the tenses files also, our exercises. Okay.
టోటల్ మార్క్స్ మన పీజీపీఏ మార్క్స్
Hello, guys. Here, sir is available. Ram sir is available. Harita, can you hand over to sir, Ramu sir? Which class do you have? Hello? Only these many guys are active.
Sir, I think sir has not joined. Sir.
Okay. So, whom shall I assign? Shall I close?
Sir, I think sir will come, sir.
Okay. Any